Want to build your own AI chatbot without paying crazy subscription fees? Forget $50 to $100 a month. All you need is make.com for just $10 a month, and I'll show you how. First, you need the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the chatbot. Sounds complicated? Not at all. Just use ChatGPT. Type CHATBOT INFO in the comments, and I'll send you the full prompt and ready-to-use code. Next, go to make.com. This is where the real magic happens. You'll create your own AI agent there. It runs off a system prompt, and you can even upload your custom knowledge base. So the chatbot gives accurate, helpful answers tailored to your needs. Want to go beyond simple chat? You can. Add tools like booking meetings, tracking deliveries, or anything you want. In this example, we build a bot that works like a customer support agent. It schedules meetings for you, automatically adds them to your calendar, invites the user, and even generates a perfect description with AI. To connect everything to your website, you'll create a simple webhook link on make.com. Just copy that link and paste it into your code, and your chatbot is live. Time to test it, and boom, it works perfectly. And the best part? It costs 10 times less than those overpriced chatbot platforms. So yeah, do it yourself, save money, and own your chatbot.